Why are most blind people also below poverty line? Tesla uses niche data. What it means is, as more and more users use that app, they get more and more data. They understand algorithms, AI understands how the movement happens with visually impaired. It gets better and better and better. We surveyed over 2,500 blind people, and 78% of them agreed that they 100% need more support. How AI can be leveraged to solve these problems? Because these are problems that aisa nahi hai ki the technology is not there yet. The technology is there. Someone needs to just scale it up and build it for humans now. What we're trying to do through Sensible is we're trying to solve it through our first product, which is Vision One, which basically will help those who can't see move. We're thinking of launching this in US first, because again the adoption rate is high there. Then we'll get it to India. So in US alone, there are close to 8 million blind people who need this. Walking, it detects the surface. These two bands that you see, they detect the surface. They also detect the objects. So now they give direct feedback through haptics to the legs. Now we don't want to just rely on haptics, so it is also connected to a blind-friendly mobile app, which will communicate to a audio, sort of like a earphone or something, which will tell the user, navigate the user how we visualize this is. So there are companies out there who are trying to solve this, but you can see from this chart, they're solving one or two problems. Someone is solving for reading, someone is solving for stick walking, someone is solving for other things. So we are trying to solve for independent mobility, which, as you can see from this chart, we are trying to solve a lot more things. We want to give the complete freedom. Thank you for a great introduction and start, ma'am. So, can I just stand? Yeah, please go ahead. So I'll just stand and present. I think I'm more comfortable standing. If you can just pull up my presentation. Take you through a case study through a presentation I made for you. Perfect, perfect. We'll go on a quick journey together just to visualize what I'm about to present. So imagine one day you wake up and everything seems a little blurry. Whatever you see, it's a little blurry. For a second, you get excited कि मैं Peter Parker तो नहीं हूँ, मैं Spider-Man तो नहीं बनने वाला, but then reality sinks in. You go to a doctor, the doctor tells you that you're about to lose your vision very slowly. So in the next couple of months, everything becomes dark. Just pitch black, darkness, no light, no colors, nothing, just darkness. Scary, right? How will you go to your favorite coffee shop? How will you watch your favorite movie? Yeah. So this visualization that I'm trying to tell you, of course, like now you're thinking probably ये sad story है क्या? नहीं मतलब sad, sure it is, but it is definitely a real one. It's the story of our founder Sakshi and my best friend. She went through this entire journey, and just to give you a brief introduction, we are Sensible, and I am Yogesh. I am her co-founder, and we are trying to build something that can change this kind of like a disability, which is it's 2025. Let's think about it from one more perspective. There are self-driving cars in the world. Imagine a world, there are cars that do not need to see anything, but they can still move, right? They don't need a driver, तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा उनको, they can move. So there is technology out there in the world that can help you move, but for over 250 million blind people in the world, there is no such technology. There is no aid that helps in independent mobility. Independent mobility, again, just to elaborate on that, what is independent mobility? You going to your favorite coffee shop. Now, when my friend Sakshi went through it, what we did was she had to rely on her support. So for example, I was one of her support. If she had to go have a coffee, we used to, I used to hold her hand and we used to go together. That's the only way right now to do it. You have your guide dogs, you have your sticks, but independent mobility is still a challenge that hasn't been solved. जो कि self-driving cars पिछले 10 सालों से Tesla कर रही है, right? So this is the problem that we're trying to tackle, and it's just not one problem. Again, just to emphasize on it, it's a problem of 250 million people. So we did a survey back when we started, we surveyed over 2,500 blind people, and 78% of them agreed that they 100% need more support. So again, just to put it into context, 200 million people is like a country like Indonesia. Pura Indonesia, imagine, they are not moving. They are relying on someone to take them from here to there. So the problem is so intense, it's so big, it's a big problem, and no one is taking it very seriously, I would say. ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा, मतलब people are still trying. And through this case study, I'm trying to show you how AI can be leveraged to solve these problems, because these are problems that ऐसा नहीं है कि the technology is not there yet. The technology is there. Someone needs to just scale it up and build it for humans now. Cars में तो चल ही रही है, right? So, and what we're trying to do through Sensible is we're trying to solve it through our first product, which is Vision One, which basically will help those who can't see move. So how it will work is we are thinking of it as a two-band sort of a technology, जिसके अंदर there दो ankles पे band लगेंगे, and there'll be haptic feedback along with audio feedback, which will sense the objects around you. It will sense the surface, and it will give feedback to the user so that they can move, right? So just to give you some context, what it can do is we want people to wake up. It can detect indoors as well as outdoors, which is an important problem because a lot of mobility issues also happen indoor. You have to wake up, imagine just waking up, close your eyes and wake up, go try to brush your teeth. It's so complex. Even the simple thing like that is so complex, you'll have to get used to it. Sure, there are systems like you can count your steps and do that, but we want to solve all of that independently. Let me just briefly talk about technology also, let's go ahead. So how we're building this is we're using a soon to be patented 4-way sensor fusion technology, where we will infuse 4 different sensors because it needs to be very precise and accurate. Along with that, we will be leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, because I feel, again, I might be biased a little bit due to my past experiences, but this is the right use of technology. This is the right usage of AI. It can generate algorithms. We are doing that through niche data, haptic feedback, and dynamic path. Again, example deta hu. Tesla uses niche data. What it means is as more and more users use that app, they get more and more data. They understand algorithms, AI understands how the movement happens with visually impaired. It gets better and better and better. So now Tesla can, it's a far superior technology. That is also what we're trying to incorporate. As we onboard the first 1,000, 5,000 consumers, our technology will keep on growing. It'll keep on getting better. It'll keep on getting accurate. That's how we're leveraging AI. I'll just explain it through this. How this is happening is a person is walking. It detects the surface. These 2 bands that you see, they detect the surface. They also detect the objects. So now they give direct feedback through haptics to the legs. Now, we don't want to just rely on haptics, so it is also connected to a blind-friendly mobile app, which will communicate to an audio, sort of like a earphone or something, which will tell the user, navigate the user. How we visualize this is, take 3 steps forward, take 1 step left, there is a step up, now there is a step down, and our AI will also detect objects in future, where it will tell you that there is probably a dog sitting on the road, because that's important. We can't negate these factors, क्योंकि कुछ भी पड़ा हो सकता है, right? So this is how we are visualizing the technology to work. This is where we are at. We have built our first prototype. We have been validated. So last year we were validated at IIT Bombay. We have already raised close to 70-80 lakh. So now we're building the first alpha version, which is the MVP version of the product. Because again, this is very extensive to build. We were first validating that we can actually build this. It is proven, it is true. We are filing our patents. Now we are actually building the first MVP, which will go to the market. Talking about market, so now you understand this is a huge problem. We are all clear, बहुत important problem है. But is there a market for there also is something that entrepreneurs need to think about, right? So just to quickly touch base upon that, I won't take a lot of your time here. But it's a very huge market. We are thinking of launching this in US first, because again, the adoption rate is high there. Then we'll get it to India. So in US alone, there are close to 8 million blind people who need this. So the market is huge. It's a $8.4 billion market. It's been validated and all of that. Even when you see the competition, and again, just to give you some context, ऐसा नहीं है कि we are the first people who are trying to do this. So there are companies out there who are trying to solve this, but you can see from this chart, they're solving one or two problems. Someone is solving for reading, someone is solving for stick walking, someone is solving for other things. So we are trying to solve for independent mobility, which, as you can see from this chart, we are trying to solve a lot more things. We want to give the complete freedom. So this is the market. This is a case study for Orcam, but again, आप बोर हो जाओगे सब लोग. आगे चलते हैं. This is the founding team. This is our investors. This is the tech team. These are two smart guys. Both of them are PhDs. Then Yogesh, I'm the support that we're trying to replace with this product, and Sakshi is founder, the blind girl who needs the support. And before I'll leave you with this thought, I think a video will be more powerful to tell you the magnitude of the problem. If there is audio, just try. So you can't hear it, but it's fine. So that's the case study, more or less. We want people like you to be more aware about this problem. You'll have to play it again. But it's fine, let's go ahead. So yeah, we would like everyone to join hands and spread the word. It's a big problem. Join us to kind of like spread awareness. This is a huge problem. And it'll be great if you can help us share the word. You can follow us on Instagram. And yeah, this is a great use of AI according to me.
One thing that I want you guys to understand is that it's not necessary to have a specialization or the deepest knowledge about the field in which you are trying to solve a problem. It's not important. What is important is that you know the problem, you want a solution, you get out of your house every day and you network and get to know the people who can form the team to solve that problem along with you. So it doesn't mean I don't know AI. Everybody's talking about AI. You don't need to know AI. You will learn on the way. But is AI an important part of your problem solution? Then that's fine. You will get the people who know AI. They will get together and they will help you solve that problem. So that's the first thing. It's very important to understand that. Elon Musk knew nothing about how to make rockets. He still, of course, now he knows a lot, but if you put him in his own factory and tell him to put the nut and screw together to make the rocket, he can't make it. But he's one of the world's best entrepreneurs, idealists, fantastic, ideations and ideas that he has, and he solved millions of problems. All right, so that's a thought I want to leave behind. Thank you, Yogesh, so much. Guys, any question? We can have 2 questions for Yogesh, please. Anybody who wants to ask him a question on his journey, maybe, how did he, get about doing this? Yes.
How do you think Indian people would be able to afford that?
Definitely, that's a very challenging sort of a statement. That's a very interesting question also. So thank you for putting that across. It will be hard to afford this. Another thing that I think about accessibility is accessibility तभी हम पूरी ला पाएंगे अगर वो हर person के पास हो. So how we envision the vision one is कि like every one of us who is old enough, they know that we have smartphones. Back when we were in our teenager or whatever, we didn't have smartphones. But it has been embodied by everyone. It's an essential part of your life. It enhances your life. So that's how we also see Vision One, कि हर blind person के पास Vision One होना चाहिए. It's important. How do we reduce the pricing वाला problem? We are trying to launch it. एक तो सबसे affordable rates पे. अब affordable भी, it's not really affordable. When I say that, I'll give you an example. अभी जो closest competitor हमारा है वो बेचता है इसको $2500 पे, which is close to 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, whatever, right? We are trying to get into a market which is close to $500, which will be 40K or something like that, which is, I know, still expensive. So with scale, we are envisioning कि we will tie up with government, we'll get the aid of the government to provide this to every blind person possible. But उससे पहले it will have a component that we will need to involve the government. I'll be honest about that. But with scale, I think we can reduce the price even further. ये तो एक challenge होगा ही to solve. But it will happen when we have already impacted like the first 5 million people. So the magnitude will still be very big उस time पे. But yeah, we'll love to solve that problem for sure.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. My name is Noor, and I have one question. You just said that you would be targeting the US market first. And why, like, what are the reasons that you are not targeting India itself in the first place and US? Like, what are the main reasons that an entrepreneur wants to target the US market? Like, what are the top 3 to 4 reasons that people do that?
Sure. So, target audience हर business की बहुत अलग होती है. For each business, it needs to be very different. So there are no specific reasons कि क्यों किस market को target करना चाहिए. But I can tell you with our reference point based upon my experience. So why we are targeting US is because it's already evolved in terms of the per capita income of the blind people there. So there is a social stimulus with blind people also. Maybe we should touch base upon that. That's very important to understand. Why are most blind people also below poverty line? Does anyone know? Because they don't get enough opportunity. मतलब the world is not designed for them. This world, अगर उनको opportunity ही नहीं मिल रही, तो how will they have income? So there is a very big social cause also associated with this. जो एक बहुत prevalent factor है, why we can't see the right away launch in India. Because again, if I had like $1 billion, if Elon Musk was like कि योगेश तेरे को जो करना है तू कर, मैं बनाता हूँ, तो I would love to target India, right? But I don't come from that privilege, sadly. So I have to validate my product. I have to take it to a market which can actually afford the product, and I have to show it to everyone in the world that this product is functional and the world needs it. I am not building this for India or for US. I'm building this for the entire world. Right? So I want mobility. That's the problem I'm trying to solve. So what social cause associated, the only reason we are targeting US is because they can afford it. Simple as that, if that answers your question. Yeah.
I think the questions were absolutely amazing, and you made Yogesh sweat for it. So, yes, a little. I think when you go for your next funding round, please keep the answers to these questions ready and note them somewhere. So, Yogesh, you have another problem to solve as per their questions. I think you need to solve the problem of the pricing of the product, which to my mind brings me back to the theme of today, which is public-private partnership. Rings a bell, guys? So many things are possible only with public-private partnerships, and he mentioned that he cannot do this without the government support, all right? So this is a clear example of how this happens. Thank you, Yogesh, so much, and thank you, lovely audience.